All right, so in response to my last video, we have gone and mounted the oil cooler. We left the same oil cooler, mounted it in a different place, and I'll show you how I did that. So what I've done is I've mounted these with 3/4 inch insulated cable clamps. And coincidentally, my uprights land perfectly right where those are gonna sit. I did straighten up the fins somewhat. Some of them are pretty crushed, but I think that's pretty good. They're not, you know, you can see daylight through them. It's pretty clean on the inside. And we'll see what happens. I do need to lengthen my hoses. I'm just a little short there. I might be able to swap these two. This one is a little bit longer, but being where it is, not quite gonna reach. I think if I swap them, I could use this one on the bottom and I'll have to make a new hose for the top. So that's where I'm at now, and let's get to making hose. Well, I think we've accomplished what I set out to do, even though I utilized my existing oil cooler. It is on, hoses are ran, and as far as I can tell, I haven't tested it yet. It's kind of late, but let me give you the rundown. So even swapping these two hoses, this one fell short, and I only had so much hose to work with. So I did put a 45 on here. I was gonna do a 45 on both, but my other 45 kind of blew out on the bottom. It was a used one that I had on here earlier in the year. But I also put I don't know if it's Lexan or plexiglass. It doesn't crack when you drill it. It's very, very flexible. I mean, you can see it moving. It's very flexible. But I set that in there to try to scoop any unused wind that may hit here. It's probably gonna rattle pretty bad. But it is what it is. And if it solves my, my hot running issue, at interstate speeds, then I'll be happy with it. I could always put some foam underneath it to shut it up. But yeah, I'm happy with it. And we're gonna give it a test tomorrow, see if it's leaking. I don't think it will be, but should it be, trying to get ready for Flanders. Well, I guess that's it in a nutshell. So far, so good. And I greatly appreciate all of the comments. I appreciate the views, my subscribers. Again, I can't thank you guys enough. And Kenny, I apologize for doubting you. I didn't use the one that you had told me to use only because I only had so much hose to work with. So I didn't have time to do that, but maybe down the road, so we'll see what happens. But anyway, I greatly appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you for watching, and take care of one another. We'll catch you on the flip side.